on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge, like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. When they told me about the first one, I was pretty confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh, really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger. Because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm being super sarcastic, and they're like, oh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need a global. Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. One more error gone. Aragon. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, you know, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But... oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. Cause I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart, I like to think. That might just be the smirt talking though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirt. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just, I like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You're getting closer. Well, I got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, he got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Once I figure out how to trick ChatGPT into reading my mind, I think a Nobel Prize is the least of what I'll get. You don't have to deep dive. No, that's what I'm saying. Stay shallow. Only learn what you need to learn. And that's how you're gonna be efficient with your learning. Just go for the basic stuff, you know. If somebody needs you to learn CSS to help them fix something, good. Now you know how to do that in CSS. And you're gonna, by proxy, by osmosis, absorb coding abilities because you're gonna be using it. On top of that, you build a nice little resume. Nothing gets you jobs more than a resume. Not a portfolio. People are looking for a resume. Companies that you worked for. You can tell them what you did for them, but you need your list of companies, your description of what you did for them, and then now you have more to your tech list. If you're looking to get into it for fun, start your own project like this. Like I'm building a website-based video game. This would teach you a lot about web programming, even though it's a video game, because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript and I'm using Sass styling. Like this is all just CSS, and then this is all just vanilla JavaScript. Very basic stuff to learn. Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a holster, a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know I like bod mod, so think this will work. First try. Definitely first try. Tell me it's not going to work first try. Come on, chat. Come on, bots. Do it, bots. Tell me. It's not going to work first try. See? Too scared. We give estimates before we start working on a project, and they agree to it, and then you have a contract. That's your insurance policy. Because, you know, when people try to give you the runaround, ideally you'd have a due date in mind. You know, some sort of grace period after a project's completed. There's issues with that too. When's the project done? That's subjective. You know, is the project done when it's dev complete? Or is the project done when it's been QA'd by the client, the stakeholder, you know, and they approve it? Because that approval process can take a long time. And they can be nitpicking you left and right. Fix this. I don't like this. Change the font. Oh, no, I don't like that font. I need a new page. Shit, we forgot about this page. Can drag on for a long time. Yeah, I mean, I've said it before, but freelancing it's hard because the people that are hiring freelancers are not stable. Mom and pops, all these small businesses. Working remote, there's a lot more to it. It's not just about doing Zoom meetings. It's about time management. It's about managing procrastination. If you're one of those people that need an office to focus, like a quiet space, no dogs, no family, no deliveries, no whatever, then going remote was really hard on you. It takes a certain skill to be able to get work done and force yourself to get work done when you know you could do anything else. I have a TV in my office, a 3D printer in my office, a sword decanter full of really good quarter cask Lafroig scotch, right? So distractions is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it takes a certain skill to be able to get your work done when you could literally be doing anything but working. You know, depending on your meeting schedule, if you don't have a lot of meetings, you could do anything you want during the day. They wouldn't know as long as you get your work done. You know, how to get ahead in the programming world in this industry, and it's pretty interesting. It's very similar to many other industries where like the people that are getting a lot of work continue to get a lot of work, and the people that get spotty work always get overlooked. You know, there's some key factors. Being US based, that helps. Being on the younger side, having a good resume with a lot of names that maybe they've heard of, and then you're getting hit up by recruiters every day. You know, it's a good feeling. But in this market, in this industry, you could get laid off at any time, and then you're back to freelance. I mean, luckily there's always plenty of little websites. I remember I used to just sit there online, you know, just like apply. Hey, I'll do this for 20 bucks. Hey, I'll do this. Stability is so appreciated in this business. You've been with the company for years. It's like, it's a great feeling. And then as soon as you lose that job, it's a terrifying feeling. You're like, well, now what? Will I ever get work again? You know? Hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, you know, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd. WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, you know, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, you know, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, you know, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, you know, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. You know, when they told me about the first one, I was pretty confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh, really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger. Because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm being super sarcastic, and they're like, oh, huh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need a global... Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. One more error gone. Aragon. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, you know, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But... oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. 'Cause I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart, I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking, though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirk. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just, I like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You're getting closer. Well, I got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Once I figure out how to trick ChatGPT into reading my mind, I think a Nobel Prize is the least of what I'll get. You don't have to deep dive. No, that's what I'm saying. Stay shallow. Only learn what you need to learn. And that's how you're gonna be efficient with your learning. Just go for the basic stuff, you know. If somebody needs you to learn CSS to help them fix something, good. Now you know how to do that in CSS. And you're gonna, by proxy, by osmosis, absorb coding abilities because you're gonna be using it. On top of that, you build a nice little resume. Nothing gets you jobs more than a resume. Not a portfolio. People are looking for a resume. Companies that you worked for. You can tell them what you did for them, but you need your list of companies, your description of what you did for them, and then now you have more to your tech list. If you're looking to get into it for fun, start your own project like this. Like I'm building a website-based video game. This would teach you a lot about web programming, even though it's a video game, because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript and I'm using Sass styling. Like this is all just CSS, and then this is all just vanilla JavaScript. Very basic stuff to learn. Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a holster, a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you could see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, "Buh, why not me?" And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know I like bod mod, so this will work for First try. Definitely first try. Tell me it's not going to work first try. Hello. How's it going? I see Indy complaining. Did I take too long? I'm sorry. My bad. Sometimes life gets in the way, even when I want to start. But, thanks for hanging out. You thought... No. If you see my starting soon video, that's an intentional start. Otherwise, you just see the countdown go away on YouTube, or I guess you're not watching YouTube, but notification. But no, yeah. The starting soon is me physically starting the stream. It's just, you know, I had to walk around and deal with the kid and wife and all this stuff. What? Projectile game. Mr. Mongolia himself has a day off. What's up? Let's go. I'm excited for you, my friend. Alright. That was gonna be a good one then. Oh, well, I have to celebrate with you. Hold on. Let me see. Let's get a drink and... Yeah, right. You've been waiting for 15 minutes? Man, everybody giving me a hard time. My bad. I apologize. But cheers to your day off. That's exciting. And to everybody else, happy Friday's Eve. And yeah. I'm excited for Friday. Friday. Cheers. What do we say in Mongolia when you cheers the drink? You gotta have something cool that I can't pronounce. Alright. Semicolon. Is that what you say? Yeah, right. You've got carrot juice. Nice. Carrot juice is fantastic. Yeah, actually, I was listening. My wife was telling me about the people that are stuck in the International Space Station, and you know, 2 people went up in the new Boeing Starliner, and they I guess something happened and they had to do an emergency stop at the International Space Station. Unfortunately, the International Space Station was full at the time, so there was already 7 people there. And so now there's 9 people on the International Space Station, and it's a little cramped. I guess they're doing a lot of makeshift beds and having a hard time there, I guess. So, yeah, I was hearing about that. There is a fly on my computer screen, and I can't kill it without breaking my computer screen. You could not figure out WordPress. So you're just using Versal. What's there to figure out? Yeah, I saw IndiePawn. Yeah, I saw it was actually airing out when you first told me about getting the domain. But now it looks like you got something going. I mean, something. Let's see what you got. I can fly. Nothing. You working on it? Cool, man. Well, yeah. Did you buy your domain from GoDaddy? Because they have like built-in WordPress install features you can use. Or you can get a WordPress host. You know, something separate and hook the domain to it. Something free. Because I think even Flywheel has a free... Get Flywheel. Let's see. Yeah, like if you... See, that's tiny. Where's the free one? I thought there was like a free trial. Maybe they got rid of it. Doop. Well, there are free WordPress hosts, though, that you can use. I know there's freehosting.com. Free hosting? You've got a new addiction. Basswood carving. What's basswood? Okay. It's just a type of wood. What's the difference between basswood and other woods? It's a species of tree in the northeastern, southwestern, Oklahoma. Well, seems like it's indigenous to America. Basswood. Basswood carving. Oh, I guess it's like a good wood for carving. Nice. Whoa, these guys are making whole ass faces. So you're addicted to watching people carve or looking at carvings? Or have you tried carving yourself? You like Vercel, it's what I'm most used to. By the way, the page you were trying to go to is templates. Got it. Good. Yeah, but if you still want to try something like WordPress, I think this one has like a free sign up, and I think they offer WordPress out of the box, I want to say. Yeah, because most of these hostings do. Features, site builder. Oh, well, they have their own site builder. That's cool. Yeah. Whatever. But yeah, if you like Vercel, that's good. Let's see. Maybe let's check out what you got going on. Indie Pound, templates, pages, home. You obviously don't have any route logic set up yet. Wait, what? What did I spell wrong? Pages, home.html. Welcome. About page. Oh. Nice. I like it. Cool, man. Well, good luck on your journey. If you need any help with, CSS or JavaScript or HTML, let me know. Let's see. Myself. You wear new shirts every day? I do wear new shirts every day. Is that weird? Yeah, you're fixing the routing. That's cool. No, yeah. I wear new shirts every day. New pants every day too. I change my clothes every day. Sometimes on the weekend I don't change my pants. But I'm in meetings every day. So, it'd be weird if I showed up with the same clothes in a meeting 2 days in a row. People would be like, "Oh, this guy He's just hanging out in his clothes all day, all week. You like to wear the same shirts for a week? Nice. Well, I mean, as long as you got deodorant on and stuff, I guess. Depends on what kind of shirt. I used to wear the same shorts every day, like, because I had like 4 pairs of the same types of shorts. They're just these big, baggy black jean shorts when I was a kid in school. But I always changed my shirt. I don't know. I think that's normal. Laundry. Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm kind of stuck with that too, because I'm the only one strong enough to carry the big loads of laundry. So I end up having to do most of it, but I don't know. It's not the worst thing. I mean, unless you have like a manual laundry washer and stuff or something, or you have to hang all the clothes on a clothesline. I guess then I'd probably wait a lot longer. But yeah, I do a handful of the chores. Dishes, laundry. Have I ever shot a gun? I have, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, it depends on the gun. You know, the heavier the gun, the less recoil. So if you got like a really light 9mm or something like that, it'll kick you back hard. Yeah. And then, you know, rifles obviously can have a hell of a kick too, depending on, you know, the position and stuff. But yeah, I mean, I'm not like a major hunter, and I haven't shot like a million guns or anything. I could. You know, there's a law here in Michigan, at least in my township, where you are legally allowed to shoot a gun as long as you are 500 feet away from any domicile, so any building. And, you know, I've got 12 acres here, so I could shoot on my property, no problem. I mean, technically I could hunt on my property too. We get a lot of deer during the season, and a lot of bunnies and a lot of marmots. Man, if you like to eat groundhogs, come on over. It's good eating. But yeah, I'm not big into it. If I was gonna hunt, I'd be a subsistence hunter. You know what I mean? Like, I do it because I want to, you know, supply meat for the family. I want to just do it for fun, because it's like, first of all, it's a waste of money just shooting bullets, and then what? You know, just having a bunch of meat you're not gonna eat. I guess you could donate it, but still, it's not fun. Killing animals isn't like super fun to me. I'm not against it, but I just not super into it. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess like just like subconsciously, I don't like seeing animals die in front of me. Just like, oof. Yeah, I feel a little weird about it. I'm probably not desensitized though. Do I have any son? No, unfortunately, I'm a girl dad. I mean, not like super unfortunately. I wanted a son. I wanted one son and one daughter. I always thought when I was growing up, thinking about having kids. But yeah, we ended up having 2 daughters, and yeah, it's pretty great because I know how to raise a daughter. So when we had the second one, you know, I already knew what to do. I mean, even with different personalities and stuff, it's a lot easier to raise 2 of the same gender, especially because like they can share clothes, and they're only 2 years apart. So like they, you know, hand-me-downs are really easy, and you know, they can do the same things, go to the bathroom together, you know what I mean? Just like certain things that make it easier when you have 2. Because I grew up with a sister, just me. So my parents had a son and a daughter, and we hated each other my entire childhood. She was such a dick. She was the older sister, and like even when I got bigger than her, I couldn't do any, you know. Once you're bigger than the girl, you can't beat up the girl, because now you're like a big dude beating up a little girl, and she's small.
I was just smaller, you know. She's like 5'2", so it would not be a fair fight. But yeah, now we're cool. You know, you only have siblings are a different relationship. I've learned because you know I've had a lot of friends. You know, I have a wife, and I have kids, and they're all different love, right? Like they all feel different. You know, some are conditional, some are just like kind of stuck in the back of your head, and then some are unconditional love, like I love. So, but with your sibling, it's the only person in your life, if you lived with them your whole lives, that experienced growing up the same as you, you know? They went through the same life events. They had the same parents. They saw you every day, you know what I mean? So it's a different relationship. And I've grown to, you know, appreciate, you know, the relationship I have with my sister. And it's still strange to me, though, like talking to her, because like she's not my friend, but like she doesn't live in my house, you know what I mean? Like it's a weird relationship. So if you had one boy, one girl, you don't buy your son airsoft guns because airsoft guns doesn't have age restriction. Then your daughter would have hole in her cheeks. Oh yeah, man, I grew up with airsoft guns. No, I mean, I'd probably buy some of the shitty little ones. They're really weak airsoft guns. I want to get like the ones that could kill people, because there are plenty of airsoft rifles and stuff that can kill animals. I mean, they use them for hunting. So yeah, it's kind of a loophole, these damn airsoft guns. But nah, probably just get them a Nerf gun. Spring airsoft guns, yeah. That's a dangerous, for sure. Oh, the spring ones are weak. Oh, okay, not the yeah, not the CO2 ones. Yeah, just the spring-loaded ones. Those are fine, and they're still fun. I remember getting. I mean, they still hurt. They're weak though. Yeah, gas. No bueno. Oh yeah, the electric ones. And they're kind of loud too. I'm like, you know, the whole time. The damn motors. Yeah, I remember the electric ones growing up. Those were big. Those hurt. And then spring-loaded ones were, you know, just for fun. Shooting around. BB guns, though, were also big too. And those do some damn damage. Even the pump ones kind of F you up. If you're not careful. Yeah, exactly. Fucking loud. Just for one. But yeah, what are we doing today? To answer your question, Projectile Game, what did we do yesterday? We finished... Yeah, well, I think we fixed some more bugs. I know I got login working. Yeah, I'm into the water guns for sure. Okay, I know where we're at. We got everything working. Locally, at least. I think the next step was getting this stupid thing working. So, I definitely want to get the tutorial section working now. Which, step one is... this stupid button isn't triggering the mission. Yeah, well, it's a pop socket, but it's technically a button in the game. Just a bad image. This one right here, this pop socket at the bottom here. Yeah, because like, so she can go in here without getting hurt. But that doesn't do anything. Technically it should be, you know, triggering a mission complete. But the mission's not even here. So let's do this. First off, where is the mission? Step 1, where the fuck is the mission? Let's go here, and let's see what we got in the mission list right now. Because it should not have been completed, as far as I know. Missions. Set up your lab. Let's set it. Put out fire. Put out fire. Nope. No put out fire. Oh, that's right. It said it was part of a next mission. But the mission that would make it a next mission is definitely complete. Otherwise it would be showing. So let's see. Missions. So the problem we're having here is get to your lab. Yeah, that's fine. So next mission is disarm the rocket, which is... Oh, I haven't made it yet. Oh, is that why? Because I haven't made all the shit? Oh, hold on. Let me see if that actually works. Let's make the mission. Yeah, whatever. We'll just make it locally. Is that character a vampire? No. They all have cloaks. Like a, you know, woodsman cloak. Like, see, he has a cape, like a cloak, and then she has a cape as well. I just, you know, there was only so many types of cloaks I could use, so I, you know, they all have a cloak. No vampires here. Alright, so yeah, let's make the mission. What was it? It was put out the fire, and then the next one was disarm the rocket, which I do not have. So let's add that real quick. Disarm the rocket. And this is going to be in Virus. And I need this to be connected to a timer one. So, but for now, let's not connect it to anything, just so I can get this working. And then the next mission is going to be move the rocket. Right. Wait. Yes. Alright. Let's make a quick one for move the rocket. But that purple haired girl looks like a vampire. Yeah, does she? Nah, yeah, she just has some blue hair. It's kind of purpley though. It's a purpley blue. She does kind of, yeah, she's pale. She's Irish, so very pale. I can see where the misunderstanding is happening. Move the rocket. Okay, and that's in Thyrus. And the last one is... whatever, nothing. Let's just do that. Alright, will the mission show up now that I put the other mission in there? No. Well, let's see the mission list now. Okay. Alright, so we got all these missions now. So we've got this. Move the rocket. Disarm the rocket. Which move the rockets next. Disarm the rocket. Perfect. And then put out the fire. So put out the fire should be showing right now. Unfortunately, it has the class next mission. I don't know why. Because the mission that made it its next mission is not there. Get to your lab. Oh no, it is here. Yeah, get to your lab. It's here. Oh wait, why is get to your lab not showing? Get to your lab. Maybe that's why. So I need get to your lab to show. And then I need to complete get to your lab by walking here. Change your profile picture. As you can see, it's some kind of Roblox character. Oh, okay. Yeah, you should change it. I'm out of rockets. Son, you're the rocket. That's good. Yeah, let's see here. So I need get to your lab. I need to have a completion thing. So I think the completion thing, I'll just make it a big square around the whole thing. So let's do that real quick. So complete, get to your lab. Good, good, nothing, perfect. Oh, it does have a trigger, shit. Oh, where the hell's the trigger? Alright, I need to dig in a little bit to see why this mission's not showing up. Because the logic for missions is that next missions should, it shouldn't have the next mission class on it because it's the one that makes it show up should be gone. Yeah, because the meet Iona in Biolon, the next mission was get to your lab, right? Let's double check that. Meet Iona Biolon, next mission. Oh shit. That's probably why. Get to your lab. Alright, I think we solved it. That was easy. So now it should show up. Yep, there it is. How do I complete it though? I don't even know where the trigger is. It should be... I should change where the trigger is. I should make it... Because if you come from either side, I want you to be able to fix it. Oh, boop, boop. Kind of looks offensive, but trust me, if you see closely, you can see. Yeah, that's slightly offensive. It's good though. Let's see here. We need mission trigger. Nope, that's Andy. That's Andy. Get to your lab mission. Uh-oh. Where's the trigger? That's path trigger. Cutscene trigger, Andy. Path trigger. Oh, shit. Wait, what? So get to your lab has a trigger set up. So that's confusing. Why is it not showing up? Yeah, it has this complete mission trigger. Bop, 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 bop. And yet, it refuses to show. That's actually kind of weird. Cutscene trigger, yeah. No. That's cutscene trigger. Wait, where's the mission complete trigger? Maybe I'm just looking at the wrong shit. I don't even remember how I do this. That's path trigger. Where is... That's drag dust. Sometimes it's hard to find what I need. Bop, 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 bop. I don't know. Here's the fire hazard. Huh. Put out the fire mission. Yeah, where's the second one? Oh. No. Get to your lab. Oh, I need get to your lab, not put out the fire. Get to... Yeah, see, look, it only has one. No blockade. It's not setting the trigger. Alright, so this is something wrong with the mission complete trigger then. Let's see if we can find... So that's blockade. Then maybe it's in the item list? Shouldn't be. It should be in explore missions. But let's see here. Yeah, so here's explore missions. Mission trigger. It's right here. False equals empty. Which it definitely should be. So this should be happening. Mission trigger. This should have something. But that means that mission for triggers... Maybe it's not part of it. Explore mission. We have publish. In this explore area. Correct. We know the mission's showing up. We know that it has a trigger. Let's actually double check that. Mission trigger. Wait, but does this mission trigger start missions? Nature friendly. Does the mission trigger complete missions, or does it make missions show up? Now that I think about that. No, I think it completes missions. Okay. So we have that. Let's see what we got. Take me to your var dump. It does not exist. Welp. Maybe it's part of the mission. Yes. It's not. What the nut? Where did I put that var dump? Get map items. Yes. Hold up. Let's brute force this one. Oh, okay. Well, it's clearly not showing up. Meaning, it... Missions for triggers. Oh, so this is actually specific for triggers. So it is not showing up. So we're looking for explore missions with explore area point, slug is current location. Okay. And there are none? There's definitely missions here. So that's a lie. Is this function not being used? What the hell's going on here? What is going on here? Does this only get used when I go to a new area or something? What the fuck? This is definitely being used. Oh, I am tripping balls. I feel like I'm being lied to about my local. Because nothing is... The code's not affecting it. Let's see, let's restart the environment. What? Yeah, right here. So this is getting run. And yet, this is not getting hit. I must call foul. I wish I could help you with the game. Thanks, man. Yeah, I know. Sometimes it's frustrating seeing somebody struggle and you can't help them. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Yeah, I am confused. There's definitely something going on. Oh, wow, look at that. It restarted the game for me. Okay. Something's definitely wrong. I'm guessing it's because of this. Alright. Let's start again. Alright, we're starting fresh. Let's see if we can get it to work now. Yeah, right. Sometimes, man. A stick. Love that one. Alright, let's get through this level. Yes, I will. Alrighty. Thank you. Alright, come on. Run into me. Oh. I forget she stops there. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, I think what I should do for her trigger, I think that I should make me walk to her instead of, yeah, that way, you know, I can't just trigger her and walk away. I think I should make myself walk at her when I hit that trigger, but that's fine. Like, that trigger should be the actual cutscene. Alright, so far so good. Let's finish these real quick. So I can go to Bailan and get the crew and finish this shit. Oh, come on, dude. I hate when that happens. Get out of here. You have to do it in a certain order or it doesn't work. I mean, you don't technically have to, but I just can't fit it if I don't do it in the right order. Oh my god. Come on. There we go. Now let's skip all this junk. Oh man. I gotta wait for it to recharge. Come on. Let me go. I want to transport. Looks like I'm screwed. Yep, that's what I did not want to do. Is there any way you can make that a multiplayer? Yeah, I've talked about this before. The only way I could do it is if I had real-time data transferring happening. That way I could, you know, have everybody's character on the map and I could be tracking their coordinates at the same time. So yeah, it's possible. But it would definitely take some serious server power. I mean, I would use Redis, just key value, you know, and I would just move characters. You know, I would determine who's playing actively, like who's logged in on the site, and I'd put their character in the area they're in, and then I'd move them using their real-time data. You have an idea? Tell me about it. Oh, good. Mediona Bylon didn't get finished. Why the hell not? Let's try again. Didn't I get that to work already? Alright, go ahead. You can't just leave me on a cliffhanger, man. I've got an idea. Be right back. And now Genie's gone. I wonder why that happens. I think it's the image. Oh no, because she's over there. Yeah, I don't know why she doesn't get moved. It is kind of weird. Okay, there we go. Now it worked. Yeah, it's weird that it didn't complete the mission before. Alright, get to your lab. So, where is the trigger for get to your lab? That's what I want to know. Because we have get to your lab, but we need the mission trigger. Mission trigger. There it is. Okay, good. I need to make it bigger though. I'm going to make it way higher so it goes past the fire. In case you come from the other angle. So let's do height. We'll do... let's do 500. Right? Right. Something like that. That might not even be high enough. Alright, so now I'm going to trigger it. And I see I'm getting hurt. Oh god, I need to put out that fire. Great. So now we'll put out the firework. It will not. What the hell? Why is that not triggering? And why does collect ID badge come back when I refresh? It's like I run out of space in the missions, which is not true. Ew. Okay. Excuse me. I guess I have to refresh. Oh yeah, it's because I stopped the environment. Yeah, so why the nut does that mission keep coming back? Yeah, look. All the missions went away from my list. Okay, so it appears one of the functions, or it appears that save mission is causing some confuckery. Because this should just be growing and growing as you finish missions. But apparently it reset when I did the new area. Wonder why. So let's see. Save mission. So what it appears, or what appears to have happened, was this was false when it shouldn't have been. Which is weird. Because if false, so that means this is not inside of the current missions. So if this is not empty, and the new mission coming in is not inside of there, then do that. So that means that this was not empty, which I know it was not empty, but this was true. That's right, that's right. That's a weird loophole. So I actually need to add this as well. I don't want to do anything. I keep forgetting about that BS. Okay. So now it will not reset if you try to do the same mission twice. Cool, cool, cool. And I would only try to do the same mission twice as if I did a cutscene, because that just tries to do the mission after no matter what. Alright, cool. Well, whatever. Looks like we have to start over one more time. One more. Another one. We got this. Together. It's expensive. Oh, what is there? You're looking at like the cost for hosting a multiplayer game or something? Now I'm interested in what your idea was. Yeah, I really need to fix this. Play Store publishing game. Play Store? You talking about like Google Play Store? Or is that something that I don't know about? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, that's right. It doesn't let me transport into items or walls. That's why it's not working. Okay, hold on. Let me fix that real quick because it's annoying. So that would be CEO office. Let's just make it left a little bit more. So let's do 95. So 6 pixels over and it should be able to get hit. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Why, I do not know. But there you go. Now I can hit it. Okay, Google Play Store, yeah, that's what I thought. Ba-doop-ba-doop-ba-doo. So now it should work. What did I fix? The save mission stuff, yeah. So now these shouldn't go away if I try to do a mission twice. They should just do nothing. If you publish that game on Play Store, some players would buy a game. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you charged for something, I don't know what I would charge for. I don't want to charge. I mean, this is going to be hosted on my website, so I'm again, this is going to be like marketing for the book series, so you know, I don't mind putting a lot of time and effort into this. And yeah, I'm not trying to get people to pay for it or anything. At least not yet. I mean, if the game takes off more than the than the book series, then maybe I do need to do something about it. God damn it. I triggered the put out the fire. Yeah, I gotta actually figure that one out. Because I don't want these triggers to be showing up until I'm ready for them to show up, basically. So I need to come up with some logic that only lets them show up when I want them to. Alright. I'm like, wait, what fire? There is no fire. Oh, wouldn't you like to know? Yeah, so I definitely need... So what would I do? I need to come up with logic. I mean, I can do it the same... I'm having the same issue with the materialize item thing, though. Like, I only want that to show up after I go through this cutscene. So, like, maybe I just put a generic field for triggering the existence of things. Because I already have, like, materialize item, but I need to materialize the item trigger. Which I don't need materialize item if I materialize it from after the cutscene's over. Wait, what the fuck? Why is collect badge? I mean, collect badge back. What just happened? I lost all the missions. Why did it get deleted? What just happened? Oh, I got a console. What happened? Yeah, look at this. Where the hell did this come from? All these missions failed. Alright, obviously I screwed something up. It says in array, has to be an array. Womp. Right. And explore missions is not an array. Right. But then this should have been. It's not empty. But it was empty. Wait, what line was that happening on? Line 285. Yeah, this one. What the nut? So if it's not empty, what was it? Obviously it wasn't an array. Shit. Is array true equals is array, and it's not in the array. Right. Maybe. Well, we get to restart again. I should make a horror 2-day game. 1444. Yeah, I think I mentioned this last stream, but I don't think I ever plan on making another game. Honestly, I mean, I wanted to, I guess, be a game dev before I really got into web development. Like I downloaded Unity, and I tried making like a multiplayer MMORPG, like big game that had to do with some crazy storyline I came up with. But yeah, I don't know. It's just indie game development is rough, and it's very popular now. I mean, everybody wants to make a fucking AAA game, you know, and everybody wants to be #1 on Steam, and I don't know. It's kind of like streaming, like, or like YouTube. Like, it's so saturated. I can't even imagine trying to compete. But 1444, yeah, I'll check it out. I don't even know what that is. 1444 game. Don't go 1444. Another game played from 1444. What? What the hell is this? Is it a board game? Yeah, is this it? Oh. Okay. Oh, don't go 1444. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's like a pixel game. Very cool. Yeah, that's fun. But yeah, like I said, I'm only making this game because it's about my book series. So like I said, I don't know if I ever plan on making another game. Wait, what the hell? What am I getting 500s for? Oh, this is old. Okay. Let's make sure all these complete properly. It's a Mongolian type of game. Nice. I like it. Sure. Okay, mission worked. Good. Now it should have saved. Damn it. Damn it. Keep triggering that. Yeah, so what are we going to do? I need to make a list of missions that should... Oh no, a list of items that I don't want to show up until you complete a cutscene. I think that's what I need to do. I think that'll go a long way, because then I can like come up with complete map changes based off of cutscenes, which, you know, makes sense to me. Alright, let's go to Bylon. Oh, it's based off a true story? What is 1444? Is that the date, 1444? I don't feel like looking it up, so you tell me. No, it's not the date. Alright, so far so good. Oh, it's a house number. It's an address. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah, you said it's a horror game. Something creepy happened at 1444. Scary. What the nut? Why is it back? Oh my god, missions went away. What is going on? They all worked. Nothing failed. Where is it? Mission. This got completed. It doesn't like my logic. Why is this not working? You can tell me the story here if you want to hear. Yeah. Please type out the story. I'd like to hear it. Now I'm interested. Okay. If it's an array and the mission is not in the array, then reset it. Cool. Oh, fudge me. I'm so stupid. Yeah, this just won't work. So I basically need to do this, where this doesn't have an if. I need a nesty if statement. It just won't work the way I have it. So first off, I need to check, is this false? Like, is it not empty? Because if it's not empty, then I want to add to it if the mission doesn't exist there. But if it is empty, regardless of if the mission is in the array or not, then I want to do this. So, yeah, if it's not empty, check if this. If not, then do nothing. I mean, if it is, then do that. Otherwise, yeah. Okay, let's try this. I think this will work. One more. Another one. Alright, here we go. We're going to hear the story about Don't Go to 1444. Narrated by me. It all starts by the guy walking down the street. And he hears some girl screaming from the house 1444. He enters the house. And then he sees the girl. And the girl just swears at him so much because the door can't be opened from the inside. Oh, bummer. That's the start of it. So, spoiler alert. Start of it is, dude hears a girl screaming in 1444, and then he busts inside and he's like, what happened? What happened? And then she yells at him because It can't be opened from the inside and the door closes on both of them. Ooh, good start. I like it. I like it. Keep it going. I will skip you. I do not need your cutscene. You're just an indicator to get me to go in here. So I can talk to your twin. And technically I don't need to talk to you. Alright. Do, 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 do. Oh, okay. Try again. Wait. Did it work this time? Let's see. Oh, wait. I didn't do any missions yet. Come on. Alrighty. Okay. Did the mission save? It did. First mission saved. Now let's... Oh, fuck. Now let's trigger this. I am waiting. Alright. Doopa 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 doop boop boop. Yeah, okay. What happened? Okay. Something's happening. Okay. Continuation of Don't Go to 1444. Guy's in the house. Girl yells at him. Here we go. And the guy found out that the door is iron. But it looks normal from the outside. Ugh. The guy freaks out and finds a candle on a table. And somehow, you don't know why, he puts it on his head. Also the girl and the... Okay, so he has a candle on his head. Got it. Alright, let's see. Did that mission save? It did. So far, so good. Let's see if it goes wrong up here. Alright. Did we do more missions? Yes, we did. So, collect ID badge, fine, set up. Okay, set up your office. Cool. So far, so good. I think my logic is now going to work. And we should have 7 missions after this. Alright. Cool. Let's see, do we have 7 missions now? We do. And drag item positions are there, so that won't move now. Okay. So let's skip on up here. Thank you. And let's go to Bylon and do more stuff. Alright, everybody's moving right. Looks like all the calls to add my crewmates worked. Now let's see if the mission completes, which it should. Alright. We should have 8 now. We do. Fantastic. So, nope, not fantastic. This should be gone. That is something I still have to fix, actually. Okay, so the guy searches the house with the candle on his head. And he searches the house and found a room with boys inside the bathroom asking for help. It was locked from the outside. Okay. I'm liking it. This is a good story. Don't go to 1444. Alright, well we know this is done, so I can ignore it. So put out the fire. Now, the problem we're going to run into right now is I'm getting hurt from the fire. So when I switch to Genie, she does not get hurt by the fire. But the mission is still not completing. Put out the fire should be completed with that fire extinguisher. Let me refresh. Oh god, get me out of here. Get me out of here. Why did it leave me in the fire? Okay. So let's go back to put out the fire mission. And this is the rocket fire extinguisher. Now, I thought rocket fire gets removed and then it adds this mission. So I thought just putting a explore point, attaching it to the mission means however it gets interacted with completes it. But it appears this is not the case and I do not know why. Let's check out the actual item. Rocket fire extinguisher. Correct. Is it because it doesn't have a value type? It should default. Whatever. We'll do point. It's in Thyrus, correct. It is the thing. It's a breakable item. Doesn't need you to be strong. And it completes put out fire. Put out fire. Put out fire. Right? Oh wait. Oh shit. It saved the item. Well, that worked. Let's see if I can manually... Nah, I don't want to manually remove it. Damn it. I mean, I technically probably could. Okay. So the guy searches for the key. He finds it and opens it, and there's 3 guys. And spoiler, one of the boys was gay and a serial killer, and they all just searched for another exit, and they found the exit door. Okay, so far an interesting story. Rocket fire materialized. Where's rocket fire extinguisher? It's not here. So why would it... Oh, null. That's not a good one. Huh. Maybe when I refresh it'll come back. Refresh. I mean, it should come back. It definitely wasn't in the list. So where the hell is it? Oh, do I need to materialize it again? Yep. Got it. So then it needed 3 keys to get to the exit. And they all started searching for it. And shocking, there was some kind of ghostly kind of entity. It was chasing them. And they ran and exited. But sadly, it was not the exit door. It was a door to the next floor. And then they had to search for another key and exited. And one by one, they were disappearing. Ooh! I like it. Okay, let me check this item. Because this item definitely should be... Oh, that's a fire. Where's the... This one. So we have data genre, it's explore point, it's breakable true. Oh, look at this. It doesn't have anything attached to it. But what is this called? Rocket fire extinguisher. Put out the fire Disarm. Hazard remove. Yeah, how are these connected? Because I thought I connect them... Oh, actually, I don't know. Hold on. So how do I connect explore points that are attached to it? Where's the terms? So this is the area. These are cutscenes. What about point? Explore points. Apparently, I don't do anything with the mission itself. So it must be on the item where I decide that it does something with the mission. So explore point. Okay. Oh, look. This is a thing. So this is inside of get map item. Okay. So we're going to grab missions that... We're going to grab missions that are in the area that we're on. That have an explore point attached to them using the item. So I have missions now. What do I do with the missions? Right here. I add data mission. Okay, well, I should have data mission then on this item. No, this one. Anju. So that is the problem we are running into. This does not have data mission. Oh god. Attached to it. Even though it damn well should. So I must have the wrong name. I thought I spelled it right a million times, but hold on. Let's try this again. I'm going to copy it this time from the actual code. And, see, I don't think this matters. Mission complete. I think that's about the drag destination, so let's get rid of that. And then let's go to the mission and make sure I have the right explore point attached to it. Because I'm starting to think that is the problem. Where is it? Put out the fire? Yeah, so I have it attached. Okay, and then back to the game. So when they were disappearing, and then finally they got to the last floor, and the guy, the serial killer, was naked and was with a knife and chasing him, the main character guy, to death. And the guy was, he ran out to the last door, and he ran out and he was safe. And he got out. And the other two guys and the girl are dead. So that's it. The game is so horrifying. You should play it sometime. I don't need to play it. Now I know everything that happened. No, it does sound cool though. Yeah, if I ever had time to play a game, I would consider it. Okay, I'm going to go to explore points here. And I'm going to delete these two. Yeah, it's not working because it has a 2 in it, first off. So technically, this is the correct one. So let me just delete this. And I'm going to delete this as well. So now I should be able to create a new one with the correct slug. Set up your... Oh no, put out the fire. Let's try this again. And we'll do rocket, fire, extinguisher, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. This should work. What are you talking about? Game Doodle, you're late. I've been reading, I got Mongolia over here. Been reading about Don't Go to 1444. It's a horror pixel art game. And he was telling me the story and I was reading it out loud. You should play it. on English, but Mongolian language is the main language. Oh, okay. So it's an actual Mongolian game. That's sick. You know what? I like authentic. So I'll probably keep it Mongolian and just not know what's going on. Okay. This should put out the fire now. And it did not. Whoa, what happened? Oh, okay. Hold, please. Did I attach the right thing? This should have a mission attached to it now. Data. No. What did I do? Let's make sure it's correct, because sometimes the slugs linger. Oh, I should have done that. No, I closed the wrong one. Let's try this. Oh, it's not there. Obviously, I did not add it because I'm smart. When will stream end? It's never gonna end. Today is the never-ending stream. No, I'm just kidding. Probably like 30 minutes. I've been staying on too late lately. Been kind of tired during the day. But, it's worth it. Alright, come on. Do you have data mission attached to you? You scum bag. Still not there. What the fuck? Hold up. Did it show up? Rocket fire extinguisher. Correct. And this is saved. Correct. Yes. And now this should show up on this item. But it refuses. Alright, let's check the logic. So this should not be empty, and I should be able to grab the post name. Let's see what this missions list is dumping out. Because I have explore point tax. And I'm using the item's post name. And that should be the term. Is it the term? Actually, that's not how it works. I think... Oh, field slug. Yeah, no, that should work. Can you play the game 15 minutes before the stream ends? Do you want me to try it out? How do you... where would I even play it? Let me... var dump this. Missions. Punker. Show me the var dump. Array. Nothing. Alright, well, we know that's wrong. So what the hell's going on here? Obviously I'm getting... Oh, well this is going through each item, so I probably shouldn't exit. Womp. Try again. Alright, there we go. So let's see. What do we get? What do we get? Default map. Bunch of empty ass arrays. Okay. So we know that's wrong. Let's go ahead and check the explore name. I guess I've never set up a... I mean, I haven't set one up in a while. An item that triggers a mission. But I know I had it locally at one point. Okay, so we got rocket fire extinguisher. That is correct. That should result in a mission. Because I know for a fact, put out mission has that attached to it. Right here. Explore point tax. And I have that. Well, let's see what all the explore point taxes I'm getting for this one is. So get the... Oh... is it because I only have one? No. It is published. It is the current location. Maybe it's current location. What the hell is that? Let's check what I get for current location in case that's just wrong. Because we know that's right, but we're still getting nothing. So let's see what current location's coming in as. Yeah, I'll try to play Don't Go to 1444 before I jump off. You got me interested. Okay. Foresight, nothing. Well, there's your first problem. This is not Foresight. This is Thyrus. Alright, so we figured out the problem. Alright, where is Cut's current location coming from? Because it's wrong. Ah, right here. So on load... what the fuck? Am I really loading the wrong location on load? Ooh, that's not good. How is that even possible? Am I resetting it somewhere? Because this is not Foresight. No, it's not Foresight. So it's wrong here, but it has to be right here. Which is weird, right? How is it right here? I should not be able to get missions. Like, put out the fire is a Thyrus mission, so it shouldn't be showing up here if I'm doing the wrong area. Foresight. What the fuck? That's really weird. Yes. I will definitely play a little bit of 1444 before stream ends. What the nut? How is this possible? Oh, these are missions for triggers, that's why. Wait. Whoa. And these are missions in general. Oh, was I looking at the wrong shit? No. Yeah, this is for a point. Yeah, but this is wrong. Current location's wrong. So how am I getting the right? I'm heavily confused. Alright, what the hell? So here is where current location should be set. I'm not even trying to get the current location. What the hell am I doing? I should be sending this. That's so weird. What was I banking on? Did it just work all the time? Huh. Wait, location. This is location. Uh-oh, but... Right. Current location. No, yeah, right here. Current location. Wait, where the hell am I getting current location then? Where am I getting current location? Why am I doing it twice? Where the fudge? Oh, explore area. Where's this coming from? Here. Based off of a location. Oh. Okay. It's kinda dumb. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go with this for now. Oh yeah, send me the link. Okay, so that's still correct. Is this correct now? Wait, where is it? Here. Yes. Data mission, put out fire. Okay, now it's working. Hey, you're back. Alright, I'm going to complete this mission right now. Even though, oh no, I'm dying. I shouldn't have done that, whatever. It worked. Fire gone. Alright, and now disarm rocket shows up. Oh, wow, that was annoying as hell. You send me a link? Well, I think I'll finish out the stream now that we are one step closer to doing the tutorial. The next thing I need to create is the rocket itself. It needs to be inside of the fire. And the rocket will have two buttons, one on each side. It will require someone really fast to run all the way around. Much faster, like this fast. All the way around here. As fast as they can. And I'll make it hard. I gotta go all the way around to this side and click the second button. Oh god. And hit the button. And then once that's done, the rocket will be movable. Because I'll block your path with these buttons. You know. I think I actually need to make the buttons go away too now that I think about it. I'll need to make them go away once you do both. Which if I make them... Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about that one. Okay. So let's jump in. I am here. Let's go here. Alright. Let's try this out. Download. I'm gonna trust you on this one. How do you play it though? Do I need to download the actual game player? Autonomy is downloading. How to install? Games. No, I'm not on mobile. Oh, is this only for mobile? Is there like an emulator I can play it on? I wonder. It can be played on PC and mobile. Oh, it can be. How do you play it? Oh, well then how do I do it? Oh, did you send me the mobile version? Is that why? Well, I downloaded the APK. It just, there's no way to open it. Unless I'm doing something wrong. Oh, maybe I need to download this. Ah. No. That didn't work either. Is this the wrong site? Am I just downloading random shit? Alright. Ditch. Don't go 1444. You installed it from there? Maybe I'll do from itch. Yeah, here we go. Here's the Mac version. Let's go. You are open. Alright, let's try it. Pop, 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 pop. You know what? Today, I don't care. I'm gonna try it out. Don't tell me what to do. Open anyway. Mac, you ain't the boss of me. I'm gonna play this shady game. Oh, here we go. Oh god. It took over my computer. Hold, please. Let's turn the music off. How do I make this not full screen? Hold, please. I need to make this not full screen. This game is shady. No, it's a good game. Here, let's give this a shot. Though I don't like that it's full screen. No, that's not what I wanted. Where'd the game go? Why does it have to be full screen? Can't you not be full screen? Alright. Let's give it a shot. Hold your breath. Got off work pretty late. Hope they made dinner tonight. Help! Is anybody there? Help! Ooh. What's happening over there? Better call the Popo. Police station service. How can I help you, sir? Hi, I think someone is being assaulted. I'm on Peace Street in 1444. Come quick. Can you tell me your name, sir? Mr. Boar? Okay. But, oh yeah, what the hell happened? This is taking over my whole stream, huh? Let's see what's going on. That's weird. I do have full FPS. Wonder why it's doing that. To make the game windowed, you open it in Windows. Don't give me that. Hold on. How do I options show all windows? No. It's not a normal name. Alright, let's... How do I... Can I really not make this not full screen? That it does on certain games if you're not running OBS as an administrator. But that might be a Windows thing. Huh. Yeah, I just want to like not have it take over the entire computer. Boar means brown. That's good to know. Alright, well, I'll try again. It was lagging my stream pretty bad. Alright. Okay, patrol car is on its way. Sir, I need you to find somewhere safe to wait for the police. Got it. Call ended. Strange, it feels like someone is watching me from the house. F11 key? There is an F11 key. But it doesn't do anything. Maybe it's F10? F12? I'm just trying all the keys. F9? Okay. Strange, it feels like someone's watching me from the house. Someone help! We're trapped in the living room. Help us! Shit. I'm coming. Alright, I can walk around now. Shift for running, E for doing shit. Yeah, right. Yeah. It seems like this game is causing the stream to be laggy. Which is weird because I'm not seeing any major degradation when I open OBS. Or maybe it's just coming back as soon as I turn the game off. Yeah, but for some reason it just keeps fucking dying on me. Maybe there's a better way to play the game. Yeah, I know the lag is stopping when I turn the game off. It's literally just the game. And I think it's because it's full screen. If I could get it to not be full screen, I think it wouldn't be laggy. But it's taking over all the screens. So it's screwing with it. So how do I make you not full screen? Because I can't do anything. No. What the nut? But would like to receive keystrokes. Yes. Whatever. YT tutorial watch. What the dev was it? Command Control F. But the dev would have had to implement it properly. Oh, let me see. Command Control F. Nah, doesn't do anything. Yeah, I'd like to make you not full screen. But it seems like I do not have a choice. Damn. Play 1440. Don't go 1444. Not full screen. But why can't I play games on full screen? No, I have the opposite problem. Force window to full screen. Doop 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 doo. Dup 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 dup. Maybe it's just forcing me. And I really don't have a way. Yeah, I don't know. Watch YouTube tutorial or Google. Little small, but it's fine. Shit. Yeah, we'll just do it like this. Too bad I can't interact like that. Let's see, can I play it like this? Nope. This is fun though. How the nut do I... It just feels like there should be a button. Let me do something. It completely has control over my keys. And it doesn't do anything. Well, emojis showed up. Back to menu. It'd be nice if there was like an option. That's credits, quit, play. Let's try quit. Alt F4. Bring it into your WordPress editor. Code. In full screen. Windowed real quick. What? None of that makes sense. Alright, let's try again. I don't have an Alt button, but we can try Option F4. Yeah, doing jack shit. None of the keys are doing anything. Yeah, all my F buttons are working fine. Sorry, projectile game. I won't be able to stream it if it's gonna lag the whole computer like that. Maybe I can get a different download. See if maybe this one would be better. Yeah, this isn't shady. Yoink. Never mind. Yeah. Is it running in a web browser? It'd be nice if it was, but no. It's an actual game you download. Don't go 4040 browser. Yeah, because if I could just play it on a computer. Yeah, I don't think there's any way of playing it. Boomer. Well, either way, we had some productive game development time. So, yeah, if only they made it in WordPress. Correct. If only there was some sort of WordPress engine. They could have, if they would have built it in WordPress, it would have been a perfect video game experience directly in a website. Seashell knows. Either way, happy Friday, everybody. It's Friday for me now, at least. Yeah. Why don't you stream yourself playing it, and then I'll stream you streaming it, because I can do that in Discord if you because I was working with Kasasa. He had like a WordPress question, and I streamed him showing me his screen on Discord. So if you stream yourself playing it on Discord, projectile game, I'll post it. Streamception, stream of a stream. Yeah, go stream yourself, dude. That is offensive. I agree. It'd be cool if it had that game in Discord. You know how Discord has games? It'd be cool if you could just play it directly in Discord. Let's see if the fire stays away. It does. But this came back. That's weird. Why? Why you no go? You're supposed to... Oh, because it didn't give me points? Oh shit, did I not make it give me points? That's probably why. It's an inappropriate game? Oh. Well then I gotta be careful how I stream it. Let's see. Yeah, I think I need to give myself some points. Yeah. 50 points. You win. Now it should stay away. Right? Points? No. Why didn't you give me points? You son of a bitch. It's completing a mission, but it's not giving me points. Well, that's another bug to fix. You heard it from a story. Nice. So that was based off a true story. Don't go into 1444. Some dude went in a house that was all locked up. That's crazy. But alright everybody. I appreciate you, I'm being aggressive today. I don't think so. I appreciate you all jumping on. I hope you have an amazing night and an even more amazing Friday. I'll stream tomorrow, unless something comes up, but the plan is to stream tomorrow. So I'll make sure to definitely hit you guys up, hit me up on stream, and yeah, hope you have an amazing night, and I appreciate your time. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time. Peace.